Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This is Mona Khan, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a beginner's makeup kit. Now, when I was a beginner and I was just starting out with makeup, I had a lot of trouble in choosing out the right products for me, because when you are a beginner you want things that are easy to work with. You do not want things that will take a lot of your artistry to work with, and that is why a very good beginner's makeup guide is very essential for a person who is starting with makeup. They need things which are easy to work with, that are blendable, and they can practice their makeup with. So in today's video I'll be sharing a very affordable beginner's makeup kit, and all the products that I'll show in today's video are under 500 rupees. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe, and if you enjoy watching the video that you're watching right now, then please hit the thumbs button. It would mean the absolute world to me.
Yeah.
Coming to the first category, I have primers. I have two types of primers in front of me. One is a mattifying primer and one is an illuminating primer. And the mattifying primer that I have is this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. This is a silicone based primer, so if you have concerns of pores around your nose, then you can definitely check this out. And people with oily skin who are just starting out with makeup, I would suggest you to go with something like this, because this will help in controlling your oil secretion of the face, and it will also minimize the pores around your nose and on your cheeks. The next product and the illuminating primer that I have in here is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer, and this is the dewy variant. This also comes in a matte variant, so if you are looking for a matte primer, then you can go for this as well. So this is the Wet n Wild Dewy primer. This is very nice. It gives a very soft glow. So if you are looking for a glowy base, then you can definitely check this out. So this is again a very nice primer, and I think this would be very good for beginners as well, because both of these are very affordable and they are very easy to use. Moving on to the next category, I have foundation. So I would suggest to start out with BB creams, and then the first foundation that I would recommend you guys to use if you are a beginner is only the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the bigger tube, this one is, I think they have increased the price because they have inserted a pump in it, but on discount you can easily get this under 500, and also it comes in various sizes, so you can choose whichever size that suits your budget. But this is the best foundation for any beginner out there, and I would highly recommend this for anyone that is just starting out with makeup. This gives a medium coverage. It is very easily blendable. You can even blend it with your fingers if you're not looking to invest in a tool or something. Now, talking about BB creams, me as a person, I do not use BB creams a lot, but for someone who is starting out, a BB cream would be a really great option. So the first one I have is this Pond's White Beauty BB cream. I don't know why they have to insert that white beauty everywhere they can, so whatever. So when I got this one, this came in only one shade that was original, but I think this comes in two shades now, which is also not very inclusive, but still this kind of adapts to your skin tone. You do not see the shade a lot after you are done applying it, but this is a very good BB cream. It gives a good coverage. Problems with BB creams are they are just a moisturizer with a little bit of tint, but this BB cream gives the adequate amount of coverage that you would need. And this is a great BB cream, except for the fact that it says White Beauty and Fairness Cream on the packaging, which I do not stand for. I do not promote that, because no one needs fairer skin. I don't need fairer skin, and I don't think you need fairer skin. So stop promoting fair skin. The next BB cream that I have is this Clear Glow All-in-One BB cream by Maybelline. This is again also very affordable. This is for 225 rupees, and I really like this BB cream. This does not have as much coverage as the Pond's one, but I really like this one as well, and this is the one that I generally use. I do not use the Pond's one. Moving on to concealers, the first concealer that I have in here is this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. This is a very good concealer. This comes for just 150 or 200 rupees, and I really like this concealer because it's very hydrating underneath the eyes. It's not very drying and it gives quite a good coverage. So this is the perfect kind of concealer that you should go for if you are starting out, because you can again easily blend it out with your fingers. The next concealer that I have in here is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. You guys have seen me used it a million times. This concealer again looks very beautiful on the face and gives you the right amount of coverage that you need, and also you can easily blend it out with your fingers. Another concealer that I have in here is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer Plus Corrector. This again is very beautiful, works beautifully, and you can blend it with your fingers even. So these are the 3 concealers that I have for you if you are a beginner. I think this would be very good for you guys. Moving on to powders, the first powder that I have in here is this Maybelline White Super Fresh Whitening Plus Freshness Compact Powder. Again, I do not support the freshness and whitening factor, but in general this is a very good compact powder. This does the job. It keeps your face really nice and matte, and it sets your makeup beautifully. The next powder that I have in here is the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. This is a very good compact powder, and I am so in love with the Maybelline Fit Me range because it's so user friendly, it's so easy to use, and anyone who is starting out with makeup, I suggest them to go with the Maybelline Fit Me range because it is just so easy to use. So this is another product that I would suggest to you guys. So these are the 2 powders that I would suggest you guys to go with. If you have a little bit more budget, then I would suggest you guys to go with this one. This comes for around 475 rupees, and if you are in a little bit of a budget, then I would recommend you guys to go with this one. This comes for rupees 125 or 150 rupees. So both of these powders are really nice. Now moving on to the next category, we have blush, highlighter and contour. This is blush, highlighter and contour. So I want to give you a product that would suffice all of these needs, and this is the Savannah Colors Ultra Blush Palette. I absolutely love this palette. You can see I have also hit pan on this shade right here. It's so good. You get so many blush shades. You get an orange shade, you get peach, you get pink, you get a mixture between a peach and a pink, you get a highlighter, and you also get a bronzer. So this is something that I would suggest anyone who is starting out to go for, because honestly, if you have this and if you are not a makeup artist or a makeup blogger, I don't think you will need anything else for the rest of your life, because this is kind of covering it all up for you. You are getting all your blush shades, you are getting your bronzer, and you are also getting your highlighter. So I don't find the need of buying another thing or separate things for separate purposes. So this is something that I would highly suggest you guys if you are a beginner. And also another thing, I do not have it right now with me because I haven't used it, but those sugar face palettes which have a bronzer, a blush and a highlighter, Faces Canada has one as well, I think. Those kind of palettes are really good for someone who is a beginner because you get a bronzer, a blush and a highlight all in one. To be honest, I did not find a good bronzer under a budget. Maybe I haven't used much bronzers, but I tried an Wet n Wild bronzer that was not up to the mark, that was disastrous. So I am still in the lookout for a good bronzer under a budget. So I'll let you guys know when I find out a good bronzer under a budget. For now, I haven't found any. If you're looking to spend on a blush separately, I have this Blue Heaven Diamond blush on with me, and these blushes are really nice. They give you a good flush of color, and they also give you a glow. So if you are looking for a blush that would give you a glow and you want to skip highlighter on top, so this is the blush that you should go for. This is again very good for beginners because you can build it up. It does not pack a punch at one go, and this is again very easy to use, and the price point is just 100 to 150. Can you imagine a blush for 150 rupees? This is bomb. And now if you are looking for a highlighter separately, the one and only highlighter that I would suggest you guys to go for is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, specifically in the shade Precious Petals. If you are someone who is near to my skin tone or even a little bit lighter, I would suggest you guys to go with this shade. And even if you are not going for this shade, this formula is just so good. This is my most favorite highlighter. If you cannot tell by the condition of the highlighter, I have completely used and abused this highlighter, and this is so good. I cannot talk enough about it. I love it. I love it from the bottom of my heart. It's not chunky. It gives you a very skin-like glow, and again, this would be very good for someone who is starting out. And again, this is under 500 rupees. Such a bomb highlighter under 500 rupees is just unexpected. So if you're looking for a highlighter and if you're a beginner, just go for this one. Now that the face bit is almost complete, let's move on to the eyes, the most interesting part. The first eyeshadow palettes that I would like to suggest you guys are this Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palettes. This is in the shade Comfort Zone, and this is in the shade Rose in the Air. According to me, these eyeshadow palettes are the best for beginners because these are very easy to use. These eyeshadows are nicely pigmented. They are not pigmented to a point when it becomes very difficult for you to blend it and handle the eyeshadows. So these are buildable shades. They are very easily blendable. You can build the colors up to the intensity that you want, and there are quite a few colors to choose from, and it also mentions transition and everything on the palette. So if you are a beginner, this would be very good for you. And the best part is that they have quite a few shade selections in this range. This is a palette which has more earthy tones. Hold on, this one Comfort Zone has more earthy tones to it. It also has a blue, a green and transition shades, and the Rose in the Air one, obviously as the name suggests, has more warm and rosy tones to it. So you can select the shade according to your preference, and this is amazing for beginners. And these eyeshadow palettes are, I think, for 499 rupees, and you can easily get them at a discount for around 350 to 400 rupees. So you can imagine how cheap that is. Another eyeshadow palette that I would suggest you guys to try if you're a beginner and if you're looking for some vibrant colors, and it's the SFR color miniature palettes. These are the 6 color eyeshadow palettes. Now these come for only 150 rupees. Yes, you heard me right, only 150 rupees. I have done videos for the both of them on my channel, so if you want to see the how they work, then you can definitely check it out. So this is the more blue and green palette, and this is the more purple and pink palette. So if you are looking for some colorful eyeshadows, these are the ones that you want to go for. And I think they also have one of a more warm orange and red tone. So if you're looking for colors, then you can definitely check them out because these are just for 125 rupees. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I can't, but these are really good eyeshadow palettes. These are a little more pigmented than the Wet n Wild ones. so you have to be a little more careful when you're using this. But these again for the price point are very good and will be very good for someone who is starting out with eye makeup. Now moving on to eyeliners. I'm not a person who uses eyeliners a lot, and the only kind of eyeliner that I use is pen and sketch pen eyeliners. So this is one eyeliner that I really like. This is the Savannah Colors Express eyeliner pen, and this is a sketch pen eyeliner, and this is what it looks like. It's very black, it's jet black. The tip is very fine, so you can get very nice wing liners with this one. And again, for someone who is a beginner and does not have a lot of expertise with wing liners and applying liners, this is a life changer, because with a sketch pen eyeliner it's so much easier to apply a liner. So this is an eyeliner that I would suggest for anyone who is starting out. Now for kajals, I can suggest quite a few ones, but for someone who is a beginner, I would suggest the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. This is the super black version, and it stays for a little longer, and it's a little bit more, you know, waterproof and smudge proof. So this is the one that I would suggest. The one that comes in the yellow container is also really nice, and also the Lakme Iconic Kajal is very good for someone who is a beginner. So yeah, these are the 3 kajals that I would suggest you guys to check out. For mascaras, I'll only suggest Maybelline mascaras, because no brand does better mascaras than Maybelline in the drugstore. So I have the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and I also have the Maybelline The Falsies Push-Up Drama mascara. Both of these are amazing. This is the washable version and this is the waterproof version. So according to your eye type and your preference, you can choose the one that you like. So for mascaras, I would suggest these mascaras for you guys if you are a beginner, and even if you're not a beginner and you want to buy a really nice good mascara, I would highly recommend you guys to check Maybelline mascaras. Moving on to eyebrows, I have the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil right here, and I also have the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil right here. Both of these come for 65 or 70 rupees. Yes, they are this cheap, and they are amazing eyebrow pencils. If you are a beginner, you do not want to go for pomades or powders, you want to go for something that is easy, these eyebrow pencils are really nice. They are just as much pigmented as you would want them to be. They are really easy to work with, and I would really suggest you guys to check them out if you're a beginner and if you're just starting out with makeup. Now coming to the last part of your makeup, only one thing is left, and that is lipstick. Now lipsticks are very widely available in India. You get a lot of options and you get a lot of good options. I'll give you some options that according to me are really nice and would be very good if you are starting out with makeup. The first being the Maybelline lipsticks. These lipsticks are very nice. These are very comfortable on the lips. They are not overly drying, and the best part is that you get a wide range of shades you can choose from. So I would highly recommend you guys to check out these Maybelline lipsticks if you are a beginner, and they are also very pocket friendly, so that's a bonus. And if you are looking for a liquid lipstick, I would suggest you guys to go for this Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip Colors. These come for 105 rupees. Yes, they come for 105 rupees, but the quality of these is really nice. It's very light on the lips, it's not drying, and I quite like these lipsticks. I don't like this shade a lot, but this red is my absolute favorite. I really love it. So you can check these out as well. The very last step of makeup, I have setting spray, and for setting spray I would like to suggest the Maybelline Photo Focus setting sprays. These I think come in different variants as well. This is the matte finish one that I have right here. This sets your makeup beautifully. This kind of extends the wear of your makeup as well. It will melt the powders on your face beautifully as well. So this is again very good for beginners, and this is under 500 rupees as well. So these are all the products that I would like to suggest to you guys. I think that if you're a beginner and if you are just starting out with makeup, these products will sort you out. And this was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoy it and find it helpful. And if you do, then do let me know in the comment section down below, and also give out any video suggestion that you guys would like to see in the future. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Until next time, stay safe, stay home, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.